This is the Regolith puzzle. It was designed by Akazu from Japan. It has 13 parts and you have to fit them all inside of the frame. But once you try to fit them inside, you will see that you can put like most of the parts, but there is 2 or 3 parts that doesn't fit. This puzzle was designed by Akazu from Japan. It has a difficulty level 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all the parts inside of the frame. This puzzle has more than one solution, and yet it is not easy to find even one of them. If you like the Regolith puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see the solution of the puzzle, keep watching the video. So we will start with these larger pieces. You put 3 of them like that. Then you go to the other side and put 3 more parts like that. We do like a symmetrical solution. Then this piece, these triangular pieces go here. And then 3 more go in this corner. Again, we are creating a full symmetry that looks really nice once it is solved like that. And now we have just enough space in the middle to fit the last piece, and the puzzle is solved and it looks really beautiful. If you like the Regolith puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from Akazu, go to puzzlemaster.ca.